Mash up and brown. You keep turning it over so that it's cooked on all sides. And as you can see, it's starting to go brown now. Okay, need to do that for a good few minutes. Check there's no pink bits. Then you can add carrots, peas. Okay, you don't need to tip the water out from the tins, you can actually just add them as they are because we want a nice little bit of water. Okay. Right, now you keep stirring. I'm going mad a bit with the garlic. I mean, most people want a couple of shakes of that. Okay, keep stirring so the garlic gets all the way nicely through. And cook on a low heat, about gas mark 3. Stir in the garlic like this, get it all the way through. And at the bottom, get the bottom onto the top, okay, and keep stirring so it's all the way through even. A couple of shakes is enough for anyone. If you want more, you can have more. Okay, now you want to cook this for about 20 minutes on gas mark 3. Keep stirring it. Maybe let's add a little bit of basil. And again, it's according to acquired taste. A couple of shakes is what I recommend for the average person. Let's add some salt and pepper, a couple of shakes of each of those. Stir, stir, stir in the way that I've told you. Alright, the bottom to the top and all the way through so that all the sides, okay, are mixing up together. Yeah, the sides of this needs to be all mixing up like that. So you want the sides to all, you want every side to mix in with the other side, okay, and the bottom to mix in with the top. Oh, this is smelling good. Can you hear it bubbling away? You've stirred it really well. You can leave it for a bit, let it all infuse together, okay? Then when you've left it for a few minutes, start really stirring again. Make sure it's all really even, the bottom goes to the top, the sides go to the other side. And then you leave it again. And you can see that it's all really well getting infused. Okay. After about 20 minutes, dish up and enjoy by itself, in which case you give yourself a bit of an extra helping, or you can eat it with some kind of carbohydrate like mashed potato, pasta, or any number of carbohydrate bases. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Bye for now.